What's up guys, it's Jesse from SmellyBellyTV and today we have possibly one of the biggest, most fun videos we've ever done. We have a huge surprise for Ada and Jayla and they, I think, are psyched. They know that we're making slime, but they didn't know that we're doing a slime factory. Come and check out all the supplies, guys. We have enough supplies.
I want Ada to hear.
Yeah, we have enough supplies to do almost every kind of slime you could think of.
We're missing one thing.
What?
Packing peanuts. Because we have to make crunchy slime.
The girls have been waiting upstairs to finally see the big reveal of all the supplies, so we're gonna call them down and get their reaction. Jayla, Ada!
She's not excited at all, guys. Not at all. There's literally everything you need to make any kind of slime that you want. Are you excited? I'm starting. You want to make pink?
Can I start?
She's hyperventilating, guys.
Yeah.
This is how excited she is.
It's okay. It's okay.
She's freaking out. She can't take it.
I want to play.
Check out all the supplies we got, guys. We got all sorts of different glitter glues. We have this sand, if you want to make a sandy slime. We have shaving cream to add that fluffy to the puffy. We have all of this clear glue. We have scented markers to make smelly slime.
Look at Ada's face. I'm gonna pan over quick.
Can I?
Even Franco wants to make slime. Look at him, guys. He's so excited for this day.
You guys know Jayla's obsessed with art, so she's freaking out over doing the scented slime. So here you go, kiddo.
They're all yours.
We have the stuff that makes the slime crunchy.
Yes, I didn't realize we had that. I forgot. So we're not gonna probably be using packing peanuts because those are a hassle.
They are. We even have the stuff to make furry slime. I want you guys to comment down below what kind of slime we can make with these little guys. What do they remind you of? Pause the video. I know you paused the video, and if your comment was fidget spinner, you are correct. So we can make fidget spinner slime.
And that might end up being in the title, so they might already know that. It's gonna be a free-for-all right now. Grab the supplies you want. What are you making, Jay?
I'm gonna make like a green glitter slime.
A green glitter. Oh, and guess what? We have butterflies and flowers to make it fairy slime, if you want.
Green glitter fairy slime.
Green glitter fairy slime. I like that. Here's Rory's supplies. She has glitter glue, sprinkle, sand, and shaving cream.
But can you help me make it?
I will help you because we're on a team, right?
Yeah. I'm on Mom's team.
You're on my team?
Yeah.
All right. Ada, I'm gonna leave yours a secret for a little bit, so don't tell them what you're doing, but here's a quick shot of her supplies.
You can do it, Ro.
Ooh, okay, that's enough. One more pump.
Ada, are we gonna be making one giant slime as well?
Yes, we are. And I'm going to make it.
Frankie, what do you think about all this slime business?
Teamwork's the dream work, guys. Stir, stir, stir. That is what I call instant slime, guys. A little bit of glue and Tide, and that's all it takes. Look at how pretty that looks already.
We are attempting to make over 12 different types of slime. Maybe even more. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. We have a ton of supplies. I'm so excited for this video.
I am making the ultimate fidget spinner slime. I get to do the honors, guys. I don't think anyone's made fidget spinner slime yet. Quote me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it is a first here on SmellyBellyTV.
What kind of slime did you make, Ro?
Princess slime.
You made
them.
princess slime? Let me see it. Wow, it's sparkly. I think you need maybe a little bit more glitter though, huh?
I think so. And what's in here, guys, is just the clear glitter glue. Where'd it go? This type of glue here.
Yeah.
Tide and a little bit of contact solution. And she added shaving cream to make it a little fluffy.
It looks good.
perfect.
That's like a perfect slime.
Let's add a sand now.
It's a little sticky. We probably need a touch more contact
Let's
solution.
add sand now.
I made fidget spinner slime and it is a success, guys. This is the ultimate fidget toy. Slime with fidget spinners inside. Yeah, they're kind of falling out, but just ignore that. The more you play with it, the more they're gonna kind of hang in there, I think. Let's see if I can fit it into our jar. We bought a bunch of little jars here.
You need to do it little pieces at a time.
Yeah, you're right.
Here we go. Got it. I'm making more. Yay!
Jayla, what type of slime did you make?
I I made mermaid slime, and they have little butterflies in them.
It's really cool when you stretch it out like this and you
Oh,
can see all the
yeah.
sparkle. This is a slime factory, guys. We gotta make sure that we make lots of slime. So
Yeah.
Jayla's moving on to a new slime. What do you call that?
So I'm gonna call this ocean slime. So I'm gonna make it really blue.
So Jayla is going to make it a little bit more interesting by adding sand. Then it truly is ocean slime.
Like
I'm excited to see how this one turns out. Are you excited?
me too.
Rory's still working on our princess slime.
Not done.
I know it's not done yet. Can we take a look at it though?
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at how pretty that is.
It's yeah, but I have to add some more sparkles.
You have a ton of sparkles that you are adding.
Yeah,
But you know
but-
what? That's because you have a sparkly heart. Wait, I mean a sparkly heart. The heart's in the middle.
Dad, look.
Oh my gosh! This slime has a mind of his own! Or her own. I'm gonna have to leave the room because Tara's getting a little crazy with the slime. She's making furry slime. Actually, I'm gonna stay for this. This sounds really cool.
Have you ever seen such a thing? Have you ever heard of such a thing?
No?
It's about to go down in Slime Town right now. You guys will get to see furry slime, fidget spinner slime, fluffy slime, mermaid slime, princess slime, slime with googly eyes. We got slime coming out of our ears.
So tired from making all of this. Ah! Came out of my hair.
It looks like Ada's starting to make crunchy slime. I'm guessing that's why they call it crunchy, because it just sounds like a big crunch. When you're making lots of slime, it tends to become a big mess.
Pretty much.
That's a huge mess.
what
I know you're cleaning that, right?
Nope.
Right now, I am playing with Jayla's sandy ocean slime, and I will tell you, it is super cool to feel. Got this like rough kind of sandpapery type of texture, but it doesn't hurt. But it's stretchable. It's not as stretchy as I think like a fluffy puffy slime would be.
But the texture makes
It's
up.
moldable too. Very cool slime.
Furry slime is underway, guys. Look at that. Don't you want to touch it? This is like the ultimate.
That's the only slime that I don't want to touch.
Why?
It just looks like...
It's like the ultimate sensory overload. You have sticky, smooth, slimy, fluffy, puffy goodness. Furry goodness, I mean. Look at that.
Actually, that looks cool like that. Yeah, that looks cool.
I like it.
Ada, how's your crunchy slime coming along? Nicely?
Yes.
Right now, it looks like a crunchy mess.
Well, yeah, 'cause it's
Pretty much.
But if I know Ada, she will get this recipe correct because she has failed a lot of DIYs, and sometimes it takes a lot of fails before you can succeed, right, Ada?
Yeah.
Guys, we need a quick intermission. This mess is driving me crazy. One thing that you might guys not rewind and start over. We need a quick intermission. One thing that you guys might not know about me, I am a clean freak. And this is getting under my skin. But I will say, I just have to keep talking about this stuff. If you've never made this kind of slime, try it.
I think that's a first on YouTube.
It's really amazing. So let's clean up, and then we can move on and make more slimes. We still have like 100 more slimes to make. We're gonna be here all night. This is sort of turning into a slime factory challenge. The challenge here is that we are going to try to utilize everything on our table and make a slime out of it. Right now, Jessie and Jayla are working on scented. What scent you got going there, girl?
We got, I think it's
Green apple?
green apple, yeah, 'cause it's
Okay.
green.
Yeah.
So-
Did I get it on my nose?
No, you're good.
Yep, you did.
He was sniffing it.
I was sniffing it.
So we were gonna try to make green apple slime. Will this be a failure or a success? I say success. What do you think?
I say
Somewhere in between?
success, yes.
Oh, yes, of course. Way to be positive, girl. Positivity. Yeah, I need more high fives. I need a lot.
Anyway, keep them coming. Keep them coming. Just keep them coming. I need a lot of positivity in my life. 'Cause, yeah.
Hey, you stopped the positivity train. You stopped the positivity slaps. That's not allowed. Rory, baby doll, I love you, and I know you love sparkles, but
That's too
mommy
much.
has to say you're cut off. You were cut off from the sparkles. Oh, look at her face. She's so sad. She just loves sparkles so much. Aw. Are you sad now?
Do you want me to make you another slime so you can put sparkles in it?
No, I think we're done with sparkles for the night. That's so many sparkles, Rory. Let me see all those sparkles. It is beautiful, but oh my goodness. We're gonna be having glitter mess for months. Hold on, why are you coming in with a giant bucket? Do I wanna know? I don't wanna know, continue on. Okay, what's going on over here in this corner? Because I don't wanna know what's going on in that corner.
So we are adding more green food coloring to my slime because the green marker has not just done enough. It's given us scent, but not much color.
So it smells. It does? It smells like green apple, does it?
It just smells like more like shaving cream, but yeah, we'll say it smells like green apple. Mine's done.
Yeah, are you gonna save it now?
Yeah.
What is your slime called?
Fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime?
Yeah. And I put a ball in there too. That's a ball.
There's a furry ball in there?
Yeah.
Cool. I think you did a great job. Give the Bellians a kiss since your hands are all messy.
No hand slaps allowed.
All the glue's in here.
Aww.
I decided I have the perfect name for my furry slime. It's not just furry slime, it's creepy clown slime. Yes.
Ada is making rainbow slime. Check that out, guys.
And it actually
is that?
kind of looks like orange there, and then green, and then blue, and
It does, it started fading in like a rainbow does.
So let's see what happens when you add all of whatever you're gonna add. Let's see if it stays rainbow slime.
I'm gonna try to not mix it in as much, so I'm gonna try to like gently mix it in.
Okay, we'll see if that works.
Oh my gosh, this looks like the most perfect rainbow with a fluffy cloud on top. Look at how it's mixing in too, guys. It looks so cool. It almost looks good enough to eat.
It does.
We are down to our last 3 jars, and Jayla and I have already made 2 slimes to fill 2 of them up, so there's 1 left. And I made kinetic sand slime. I used the slime, and then I added some of this blue sand, and it legit feels like kinetic sand. I wish you guys could feel this. It's really, really cool. And Jayla's making jellyfish slime. I can't wait to show that to you guys. And for the grand finale, please stay tuned. We have an ultimate grand finale planned. She worked so hard. How could you? She worked so hard.
When I see things like that, I just gotta touch them.
1 second. So if you're wondering how my jellyfish slime came out, this is how it looks. It looks really cool. It kind of almost looks like a galaxy, but I stuck to the name jellyfish because it looks super awesome. That awkward moment when you can't find the record button.
And for the grand finale, we are making 1 giant gallon of slime, which will probably end up being a little more by the time we add all of the ingredients. Oh my gosh, my arms are about to fall off from holding this up. We did 500 fluffy puffy slimes before. We're not going that hard tonight, guys. We already have our nice collection laid out over here with all of our supplies that we use, but now we have to have a grand finale, don't we, Jay?
Yes.
Let's do it.
This is 5 gallons, but
It's a
we're just
5
gonna
gallon
fill it
bucket.
up to probably right around here.
We're just gonna go for it and just see how it turns out, because that's how we roll here on Smelly Belly. I was just informed that I got glue in my hair. Yeah, it's a good look. Let's go, pour it on in.
Let's get it started! Woo! Look at all that glue. We got a mountain of shaving cream here, guys. Look at this mountain going on right here. Oh, look at that mountain. Oh, look at that. That's so much shaving cream. Oh.
Can I stop?
Ada, put your face in it. Put your face in it, Ada.
I'll
put your
my
face.
hand. I'll put my hand.
Jayla, put your face in it.
Ready?
Oh, she did it.
Shaving cream does not taste good.
No, it doesn't.
It's time to make this a beautiful yellow. Alright, so we gotta make sure the glue gets in good with the shaving cream, and then we can add our contact lens solution to make this giant batch of fluffy, puffy slime. It's the most fluffiest, puffiest you've ever seen! Oh, guys, look at this.
It looks like kind of like mustard or custard.
Like a cheese, like a nacho cheese dip. Cause it's nacho cheese, it's my cheese.
Hopefully we can make this happen.
All right.
I mean, we've done it once. We can do it again.
Time to put some contact solution in.
This is gonna turn it into slime, guys.
Whoa,
this
girl.
is what's gonna bring
Whoa,
them all
girl.
together. We have added more contact solution, and I think it's coming together. It looks crazy. Oh my God. Mix it up, girl. Mix it up, Rory. Oh, look at her technique. That is amazing.
Let me see this after Rory did this great slime technique.
Oh my
Oh.
goodness. Look at that.
Look at that puppy slime!
That is awesome. Look at that. Ada, you turned into a giant slime ball.
We are gonna see how far we can stretch this thing.
Jesse promised you not to let it touch the ground.
All right, one more time. Ready? Here we go. Ready, Ada? Stretch it! Stretch it! Look at how, oh jeez, look at how fluffy and puffy it is. Oh, this thing is so huge, and I think this is the fluffiest slime that we have ever made in slime history on Smelly Belly TV. Let's see if we can throw it.
Make the big slime that ever we made.
All right, here we go. Oh, look at that, guys. Okay, satisfying moment. Here we go. All right, that was kind of a fail, but either way, it's really cool. And now we need to clean up.
Bye. You guys have fun cleaning.
Bye. Tara's having some fun with this big batch of slime. Look at that. Are you having fun, honey?
I'm trying to figure out what we're gonna do to get rid of it. And in the meantime, I'm just trying to make it at least stick together.
I love this slime. It's so much fun. Oh, more shaving cream? Yes!
Do you guys see this beauty? This is the best view I've had all night. Glitch is making sure to get up all the glitter and all of the little crunchy balls that went everywhere. Thank you, Glitch, you're the best. Thank you guys so much for watching Smelly Belly TV today. We hope you had so much fun at our slime factory / lab. We made so many slimes. Look at these guys. We have mermaid slime, 2 kinds of sand slime, fairy slime, Rory's ultimate glitter slime. Jayla made the perfect ooey gooey slime, right?
Yeah.
Of course, our yellow puffy slime is in there in the jar of goodness and righteousness.
And right here.
And the giant bag, we still have it. My creepy clown slime just turned into slimy balls of fur. I would not recommend trying this kind of slime, although it looks pretty cool in the jar. We will see you guys tomorrow because we post new videos every single day. And as always, remember to eat your pickles, kids. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.
Click up here to see yesterday's video. Click up there to see more vlogs. Click up there to subscribe and also click over there if you're feeling spicy. Also, check out our YouTube now, Musical.ly, and Instagram. You can always find us under Smelly Belly TV. As always, eat your pickles, kids.